Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Jim Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful Pepsi hover animation using Elementor Page Builder. Here initially we can see only the Pepsi can, and when you hover over on it, we can see all the details with the beautiful animation. I will show you everything step by step. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor Page Builder. To take a new section, let's click on this plus icon. Here I'm taking the single column structure. First, I'm making its height to minimum height, and let's set it to 100 VH. Now here I'm giving its width to 650. Alright, let's now select the column. First, I'm making its vertical alignment to middle. Now go under Style tab. From here, first I want to give it a background color. Let's now select the color. Though this is temporary, I will remove this color later. The color code is #BF9A3F. Kinda golden color. Alright, let's now open the border. From here I'm adding 20 pixel of border radius. Let's now go under Advanced tab. From here unbind the padding. At the top and bottom I'm adding 75 pixel of padding, and left and right I'm adding 25 pixel of padding. Now within this column, let's click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging an intersection widget. First, I'm deleting one of the inner column from here. So right now we have only one column within this inner section. Now let's click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging a heading widget here. First, I want it to say Pepsi Love. Alright, let's do a bit styling with it. First, I'm making its color to white color, and the typography, I'm making the font size to 36 pixel or 32. Line height, I'm making it in EM, and I'm giving it 1.2, and the letter spacing, I'm putting here 0.5. Now underneath this heading, let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon. Here I'm adding a text editor widget here. I'm pasting some text here. Now go under Style tab. From here, I'm making its text color to white color. Then the typography, I'm making the font size to 16 pixel. Line height to 1.2 EM. or 1.5, then the letter spacing to 0.5. Then let's now go under Advanced tab. From here I'm unbinding the margin, because only at the bottom I'm adding -10 pixel of margin. Now I wanna give this paragraph a custom width. So from under Advanced tab, let's now open the positioning. I'm making its width to custom, and let's give it 310 pixel. Now underneath this paragraph, I want to add a button. So from here, I'm dragging the button widget underneath here. I want it to say read more. Now go under Style tab. First, I'm making its color to white color and the text color to a black color. Looks pretty decent now. Let's now select this inner column, this one. Go under its Advanced tab. First, I'm unlinking the margin and set it in percentage. Only on the left, I'm adding 20% of margin. And here, unlink the padding. Only at the left side, I'm adding 20 pixel of padding. Now, I wanna add an image at the above of this inner section. So let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and I'm dragging the image widget above this inner section here. Drop it. Let's now select the image. I'm selecting this Pepsi can image. If you want to get this image, you can just go to pepsi.com. You will find all these cans images there. Alright, let's click on Insert Media. Now from here, I'm making the image size to full and alignment to centered. Then go under Advanced tab. First, I want to set its position. So scroll down, open the positioning. I'm making its width to inline auto. Then from here, position, I'm setting it to absolute. And from here, first the horizontal orientation, I'm selecting the right and giving it 182 pixel. Then the vertical orientation, let's keep it to the default top. And here I'm adding -85 pixel. Alright, let's now scroll up and open the transform. From here, let's open up the scale, and I'm giving the scale value to 0.65. Basically, this is the structure, and then we need to add some custom CSS snippet. But before that, we also need to add a class name with the inner column. So here we have got our inner section, and within the inner section, this is our inner column. Let's select this column. From under its Advanced tab, I'm giving it a class name that's Pepsi text. You need to write exactly this class name, otherwise the effect won't properly work. Now let's select the main column, this one. From under its advanced tab, open the custom CSS field. By the way, custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but I will get a little credit for that. That will help me to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. Now to get the CSS snippet, you just need to go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will also put this page's link in the description. From this page, if you scroll down a bit here under PEPSI Hover Animation CSS, let's just copy this whole CSS snippet from here. Just copy it, go inside Elementor and paste the CSS snippet here. So right now if we have a look, initially we can see only the red circle at the behind and the can image at the top, and when you hover over on it we can see all the content. But initially I don't want the background color of the main column. For that reason I'm selecting the main column, go under its style tab. From here let's just disable this color, so I'm clicking on this clear. Now if we minimize the bar from left, we can see the actual effect. So initially it's looking like it, and when you hover over on it we can see all the description. Cool. Now I'm explaining all the CSS snippet that you want to change. So let's open the bar from left. Make sure you have selected the main column, go under advanced tab to access the CSS snippet. Open the custom CSS. From here you just need to change these values. Alright, so here the first one, this is the transition. By default I have set it to 0.5 second. So right now the whole animation is happening within 0.5 second. But instead of 0.5, if you put here 2.5, and now if we hover over on it, you see the whole animation is happening within 2.5 second. But I want to keep it to 0.5 second. Then this is the circle color. So initially behind the Pepsi can we can see a red background color. If you want to change that red color to any other color, for example here I'm putting black color. The black color hex code is 000000. So right now you see the behind circle is now black color. But I want to go back to that branded red color. And then this is the content background color. When we will hover over on this, you see the background is kinda golden color, but instead of this golden color, if you wanna put here red color, then you just need to write here FF0000. This is the hex code of red color. So if we now hover over on it, you see the background color is now red, but instead of the red color, I'm making it that gold color. Perfect. And then these two values are responsible for mobile, so I will discuss about this later. So right now everything is looking great on desktop device, but of course I wanna check how it's looking on tablet and mobile device. To check it, from here responsive mode, click here, and first let's select the tablet. On the tablet device it's looking perfect, so let's now move to the mobile device, this one. And yep, we need to fix the mobile view. And first of all, if you become confused, you can always take the help of the navigator. So just right click here and click on navigator, so you won't get confused about this structure. Here first of all, make sure you have selected the section, and only on the mobile device I want to reduce the width to 320 pixel. Then let's select the main column from the navigator, and only on mobile device I'm making its padding to 25 pixel. Then from within the inner section, let's select the inner column. Only on the mobile device, let's make its margin to 0 pixel. Then let's select this image from here. Also we can select the image from navigator here. Go under its style tab. Only on the mobile device I wanna make its width in pixel, and let's give it 180 pixel. Then go under advanced tab and open the positioning. From here, only for the mobile device I'm setting the horizontal orientation to 64 pixel and the vertical orientation to 130 pixel. So the initial state is looking perfect on mobile device now, and if we hover over on it, on the hover state it also looks perfect. But here I wanna share another thing, because you may have more content or more paragraph lines here. On that case, you may have to adjust the spacing in between. To do it, let's just select the main column from here, go under Advanced tab and open the Custom CSS field. Then you see here I have written mobile height. Here have a look. So instead of this 650 pixel, if I put here 450, you see the height of the whole section is now decreasing. Even if we put here 250, it's becoming more smaller in height. But here I just wanna write 650 or 670. So the height is now looking perfect. But if we have a look, the space in between this image and this button, we should add some more space, and we can adjust this space. From here it says mob top. So by default I have set it to 300 pixel, but I think we need to add more. So here instead of 300 I'm adding 320 pixel. Now if we hover over on it, the space looks perfect. So it's now looking great on mobile device, also on the tablet device, and on the desktop it's already looking great. Alright, let's now close the navigator, also the responsive bar from top. So when you are happy with your work, don't forget to click on this green update button. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.